Okay, so welcome to our snowy mountain today. Most of the morning it's snowed. So Stuart's actually going to be able to use the plow since he fixed the plow mount for the first time. Well, he used it before, but this will be the first time in deeper snow. All right, so we're going to get some footage of him doing a little bit of plowing. Hopefully you're not too bored. But anyway, if you like videos like this, documenting our off-grid homestead up on a mountain in the snow, and our cabin build this spring, or at least a lot of excavating, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, Rinker.
What?
How is the repair on the mount?
On the snowplow mount?
Yes.
So far so good. My weld's held up.
Nice.
Doesn't have to be pretty to hold, I guess, but it was a real light, fluffy snow, and we left a lot of snow on the road, so I really didn't get down to dirt to really run over any rocks to see if it would hold. I'm sure I'll find that rock that I hit that broke it when it comes time to start clearing all the slush, but so far it's working. It's
Nice.
what we were waiting for.
Yep.
Lots of snow. It was moving, had a big old pile of snow in the front, so mucho bueno.
So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick video of snow chores on the mountain. 6 feet of snow-ish.
6 feet?
6 inches, not 6 feet. I like to say feet because it makes it sound worse. That's why, because I'm dramatic that way. Just ask Stuart. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.